Hello everyone, today I want to share my comments connected with the 70mm dashcam 4K A810S HDR set. So first I will start with specification, then I tell how the sticker is supposed to be placed on the windows in your car. Next I will discuss what type of SD micro card I used in this device, and finally I will share my impressions connected with using this device for last 3 months and what from my perspective still supposed to be improved. So starting with specification. Front camera is 4K, rear camera is Full HD. Both are Sony STARVIS 2, 4G internet, built-in GPS and ADAS system. It's a drive assist system. They have super capacitor, buffer emergency recordings, voice control and parking surveillance. In relation to sticker placement in your car, so where you installing this camera, this is the front one, you must mainly make sure not to place the stickers in front of the camera eye. So the sticker is supposed to be placed above the camera eye. The same with rear camera. In relation to micro SD card that I finally decide to use, the most important thing is to use high endurance card. I use SanDisk 512 GB. Because the capacity of this device is also 512 GB, this card works very well with this device. So after using this device during last 3 months, what I like. So the quality of these both of recordings from these both cameras are very good, especially because of the Sony STARVIS 2 and HDR, which is very useful, especially during the night. Very nice feature in these cameras is also voice control, because using the voice control you can easily enable hotspot, record emergency movie and record sound. What I was not able to test, ADAS system, because I don't need additional drive assist in my cameras, and I was not able to test parking surveillance, but I will discuss parking surveillance at the end of this movie. So what's still supposed to be improved in this set? So first of all, there is no information about the amount of free space on micro SD card, which is sometimes very useful for me. But most important thing is this parking surveillance issue. To activate this parking surveillance, first option is to buy special cable and connect these cameras directly to your car battery, which I do not like. The second option to activate this parking surveillance is to buy special 70mm battery, but this battery unfortunately was not available in my shop, so I was not able to test it, and to be frankly it's very expensive and it has not big capacity. So I am very disappointed that when I stopped my car and engine was still running, I was not able to activate this system. And I think that in future, if this system still will not be activated in these devices, I will consider different set. So I hope that my impression will help you to make the final decision connected with buying this set. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.